My name is Andrea D'Souza and I'm from Poland.
My name is Riela Kudo. I'm from Old Goa.
My name is Simone Pereira and I'm from Karambola. The viewers can look forward to many carols, among which there are some which are specially in Konkani.
The viewers can also look forward to us using the acoustics of the venue.
One unique carol that we will be singing is going to be in a cappella.
We feel really honored for such a big opportunity at such a big platform.
We are very privileged to be performing at the first International Christian Art Museum.
We are really grateful, thankful and blessed to be given this opportunity by our teacher, Mrs. Fabiola Lopes y Fernandes.
Hello viewers, wishing you health and joy. I'm Fabiola Lopes Fernandes from Narva Divar, Goa. I'm honored to be called to perform Christmas carols, an event organized by Museum of Christian Art Goa. And this event will be held on 18 December, Monday, at Old Goa, Museum Christian of Art Goa, and with mind-blowing performances from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Now, the performances, musical performances will start from 6:30, but we have Christmas market with decorations and stalls which starts at 4 o'clock. So you could watch it live or be present at the venue. The instruments that are played are flute, cello, guitar and violins to celebrate the joy of Christmas straight from our hearts. And music all composed and arranged by me in different voices, bass, tenor, alto and soprano. Along with my music students performing and singing in Konkani, English, instrumental music, a cappella style. We have 3 Konkani carols, keeping our culture in mind: Christmas Father Ye, Anand Borit Kushalsa, and Santos Borit Natana. So keep watching, and we want you to smile, be happy, and praise God. Wishing you a happy new year ahead. Thank you so much.